Rosa, and today I'm going to tell you how I automated one of my data entry workflows, a website where I can showcase to non-technical users the projects that I've been working on and let them interact with the websites and the apps that I already built. I created a simple user-friendly interface, but I still had to do it manually, so most of my projects are already on GitHub, and I conceived that I can grab that data that was stored there and repurpose it and use it on my website. So that's what I did.
Build a portfolio automation tool. We have on this screen the big four language models. We have Gemini here, ChatGPT, Claude, and DeepSeek. We'll start with Gemini just by prompting our idea what we are going to build, the kind of tool that we want to develop. So we will follow instructions and get things done in now we're going to test the repository, so on the rest ST8, yeah, so So here we have that step-by-step guide. We're gonna first need to install PC and write the Python script.
That will perform following actions. Here we have the coding. Find a username and path, make an API to call, username repos with your path indicators. This dependencies on your repositories, iterate through the repository data, extract the details you want, and description, blah, blah, blah. Structure the data, include a dictionary or list of dictionaries, and say that. We have an example. Where was there? We're gonna create so home folder, and we're gonna create here a new folder where we have all these.
Now we have the folder. We're just gonna have this. Open versions, code, info. Put a file here. It's gonna be called report folio.p. We have all these. So there. Okay. Next step is actually get the PAT, that is the personal access token, and we are definitely not gonna hardcode our personal access token because those things are pretty PAT to reader repositories. So get a PAT.GitHub repositories, settings over here, and recording, yes. BIOS over here.
Here are the settings. Here that's the tokens. So, here is the secret, and we had it copied on the clipboard. When I check how we use secrets on Python, like to VS Code, I'm gonna create that .m here, file .m, and here we're gonna add same code underscore underscore, yeah, we can underscore. This is the what was the rehan for OS, so I use the same format, but I'm gonna put this. So when I grab this, and here I'm gonna paste that, stick it here. The running particles, found the term before the and here the os dot and there we go. So we need to add request and we need to add .m. Now we're gonna create a virtual environment to run this lovely code. Right now, these files are gonna be loaded from the .m file, and we'll put the secret there. By the way, we're gonna add this ignore file. dot node, and we're gonna add here dot. There you go. Here on your original file, we added .n because we want it itself to not to push that file to so
And we also need to set up a virtual environment because I have a lot of other Python scripts, and we want each of them to run in its own and isolated environment. So we first create that one here, Python -m VM, and then to run it, we just create that, and that's it. So now we're here on our home folder, portfolio. That is our.
now we're gonna just go to Python -m VM VM industry. It take a while.
Do this VM script activated that thingy here. It says an organizer or whatever thingy. So why are you not doing it? There you go. Doesn't matter how this is. That's why AI can make mistakes. So it's pointing us somewhere. So don't copy and paste your code. Now we have the VM enabled there. Now we want to start installing our dependencies. We have this here on Gemini. Here, in the list. So let's check them. Type in our code. And here we need requests. We need subprocess, we need OS, and we need .m. So how do we install those dependencies? We go to pip. This is Python. Okay, Python is Python or something along those lines, and we're gonna pip install requests.
That's it. I'm gonna say Python installs. Take it. Check it.
This code already realized that we are virtual environment, so yes, we definitely want to use that virtual environment. As you can see, those issues that we had there, request thingy and the .m are gone because we already have all the requirements installed.